So gon' challenge. Look, I said sitting on this talent just waiting for them to catch it. Praying for better days, I done seen my struggles as blessings. I count it up and stack it, I fell in love with progression. I see the haters attacking me cause the cash I'm collecting. But I'm trying to check a bag a day, go and getting stashed away. You ain't trying to get it while you buy me, get your ass away. I be in the trenches toting shit that make you pass away. Police asked me what I saw, nothing's what I had to say. Loss is what I had to take, busting down and grab a plate. Busting hella plays and serving fiends the route I had to take. Flicking through these verses, I'm working, staying consistent. You just painting the image, my niggas, we really live it. I was really in them trenches, trying to flip it to an ounce. Took an L up on the pack, but right back I had to bounce. I can't trust none of you clowns, just strictly all off familiar. Run it up, then I stack it, I promise I gotta get it. If I said it in a song, I promise I really did it. We was in your spot looking through blinds, it was in the kitchen. We was just on the mission, had to get up off our cheeks. When you settle on the struggle, you stuck it, that mean you beat. I was taught to never love them, don't trust them, and then repeat. I was taught to never love them, don't trust them, and then repeat. Gone.